Sustainability to me means living in a way that meets your needs, but also doesn't compromise future generations in meeting their needs. I think living outdoors or trying to live close to nature and the environment in a way keeps things simple for you and helps you get happiness out of life in a way that's sustainable for the most part. In general, we'll see that ecosystems will become more and more managed as humans continue to impact every inch of the world. And things, even our wildest places, what we consider wilderness, will be more and more managed, and humans will have to grapple with that as the idea of wilderness slowly disappears. The projects that we're trying to accomplish are trying to, in the next 5 years, some of the biggest projects are trying to restore some of what we consider the wildest areas in the world, for example, and trying to see if we can restore those to a way that keeps that wilderness perspective, and try to at least have areas where human influences are minimal.